Dito sa kita Salvato, Thailand, and Thailand. So, kayo to ang Thailand, pero iba-iba lang yung months na pwede pag-atinan nyo. And what month ka? This month or next month? Next year. So, ikaw, this coming December, right? This coming December, no? And this coming December. Okay, matanong ko lang sa'yo, paano nyo naman paghahandaan ang laban na ito? Kung nakahandaan. Paano mo paghahandaan ang laban na ito?
Train.
And how about you, Miss Jemima? Paano mo paghahandaan yung laban na ito? Did you prepare? Okay, gusto kang shout out or do you have somebody to greet or any shout out? Take it away. So, do you have somebody to shout out or somebody to greet? Take it away. So they have some short message to the daughter of the Cyrus Philippines on and good luck sa inyong lahat ulit. Of course, baka meron kayo mga social media because they know already your social media accounts. And anyway, how about your and nag-aaral ko ba or online class or face-to-face? What grade ka? And what is your big dreams when you grow up? And of course, how about you, Miss Jemima? What is your big
Building until it is safe to do so. Thank you and have a great day, everyone. Welcome to support.
Yun o. Gutom talaga kayo! Hep, hep! Yun. Parang labas sa ito. Yung hep, hep, hooray. Actually, guys, there are 5 representatives from the Philippines. So, I think the 3 is not yet here already. So, maybe we will be announced soon.
Kunakunan, may liingin na lang ako sa'yo. Chelsea. Kunakunan na. Video. Sabi mo nga na video. Kailangan sa ako.
Harap tingin, harap. Harap.
Thank you so much, Sir Tristan and Mr. Robert Paul. Alright, thank you so much. And now,
You all is thank you for supporting me, and please do support me on my journey to my on December 1 to December 8 on Thailand, and that's all. Thank you. Please do support me.
Thank you for supporting me and
Micro mukha mo, no? Magandang bata. Kaya? Okay.
Alright. Candidate number 9 and 10. Mary and Grace Pilipinas. Congratulations to our Miss Pretty Globe Philippines 2025 Grand Winner, Mary Alina Syra Sapote. I would like to thank also our Board of Judges. Thank you so much. And God bless us all. Thank you so much, Sequoia Hotel. Thank you, candidates, parents, hair and makeup artists, and of course, ang ating videographer and photographers, media partners, maraming thank you.
Okay na. Leo. Leo? Oh, Leo. Isas Balala.
Anita.
Isas Balala. Ano ka na papakilala doon sa dalawang key?
Compress niya, compress. Compress.
Ah. Okay.
Come on.